everyone, thanks so much for stopping in today to see what I am up to. I have to show you the back of this box because the label's on the front, but this is from Eyescream Beauty, and this is my box. I did go ahead and order the Eyescream Beauty bag, which I think is $12.50, if I'm not mistaken, yes, just to see what that has to offer and have that be a little bit more affordable if that's an option for all of you. And I'll keep that for the 3 months to see, what we think about that. This beauty box is $24 a month. Shipping is included for the US only. You get 5 to 7 items every month, tools, makeup, and skincare products. They say on their website that this box is a makeup lover's dream. We put a palette in every box, which that makes it a makeup lover's dream. They do offer international rates on their website on a monthly basis and the 3 and 6 month plan basis. So that you would have to go to their website, which I leave that information down in my description box, a direct link so you can just click on it and go right to their site. If you do live internationally and you are interested in this, you can check out all those rates. I'm not going to go through them all just because it'd be way too many countries to hit on. So let's see what I have in my box. Aw, so cute. They always get, oh, card flew right out. They get an A+. This is only my second box, but let me tell you. Let me pick one up that's like, this is a Shamrock. Tell me they are not using really cool peanuts, packing peanuts. So you do get a little card, which this to me is priceless. Simple and easy. I wish more companies would do this. List their items with pricing, which is always a great thing to have. Having to look them up is such a pain in the butt, but I don't mind doing it. But this is so simple. Just like Nail Shack does. Print it out on a piece of printer paper and include it in your box. I'm telling you, you would get way more bonus points from unboxing channels and customers by doing that, so they can see what the value is. And spending time to look it up is time consuming when it's more than one box. So I'm happy that they do include it. I'm just going to grab, and with all the peanuts, it causes like dust. So the first item that I'm going to pull out is from Pure Cosmetics, and this is Refine and Perfect Loose Finishing Powder. And this is a $40 value. No, excuse me, sets makeup and corrects color, it says on the card. Let's get this open. And I don't know if I love Pure's mascara. Well, this is interesting. Wow. Okay, so here's the package. But look at this. There is pink and green. So this is like color, definitely color correcting. Blue and yellow. Let's see if this is sealed at the top. I hope so. How does this work? Okay, let me just see here. Okay, so you do get like a little powder puff, and this is like the lid, but you can see here that you would just peel off the stickers. There's stickers on each for each color, depending on what you need. I know yellow hides darkness. Is it green that does more redness? That I would have to look up what the colors do, unless it does tell you on here. It doesn't tell you on the box, but the 4 shades, and this is adorable. Powder, sometimes I have some creams, and I find that after a while they get very dried out and they're unusable. So a powder I think would last longer. This is a great thing to have. So excited for that. And I will, when I list at the end the like the products and the prices, I will list what the colors cover and hide. And the next item is from Hikari, and this is an iridescent lip gloss in Mystique. And this has a $17 value. Open this up. This is an interesting shade right here. Let's see what this, here's the doe foot. And let's see what this, and that's just one. I don't know how to, sometimes I can't turn my hand. That's just one coat. Let's try to put 2 on and see. That's interesting. I like that shade. Pretty nice. I guess you could build it up and make it slightly darker if you have a dark color underneath that you want to try to lighten up a little bit and change. That's really interesting. I like that. Not angry at that at all. I just don't want to get this all over the place. So let's use a peanut to try to take this off. I have somewhere to go today, so I don't want lipstick all over the place. Okay. I used a little peanut to take it off my hand. The next thing in here is from... Who is this from? Wonder Gloss Blossom Balm. Cleanses and removes makeup while also nourishing lashes and brows. Really? Gives you a natural glow. Fresh scent of orange blossoms and honeysuckle. Plus leaves a light layer of sweet almond oil behind. Say goodbye to dry, tight skin. Okay, this probably has a seal on it. I would love to smell that. I'm going to pop the seal off of that. I want to... Let's see this. Oh, it's a crazy color. Let's put that there. You guys can see the tone there. Let's squeeze a little bit. Oh, too much. I can smell that. So it just comes out like a real light pink. Obviously you don't need a lot. You can see the the shimmer and the gloss on my hand. Rub it in there a little bit. Wonderful. That smells so good. That has to be the honeysuckle. I'm not angry at that. That leaves that little bit of shimmer and shine behind. You see the difference? This has it, this doesn't. A little duller. Okay, I'm not angry at that. That's nice. $26. That's a lot of money, but I like it. Ooh, 2 things left. From Ruby May Cosmetics, this is Studio Powder. Contour palette, $20. These are open. And Eyescream Beauty comes pretty quick when you are getting it every month. Well, this is interesting. Definitely all wrapped up, you can see. And I will take these off. I don't need those on here. They're going to be sticky. Let's pull these little protectors off. So this is what it looks like. And these definitely are these powders. Yes, and it does have a protective shield. So we'll just take that off for a moment. I'm not going to touch these, but these look like something maybe I might be able to use. I hate when the only one that really looks like that's got any shimmer to it is this lighter shade over here, which I don't mind to use that for a highlighter if it's got light shimmer. I prefer no shimmer for anything on my face. Keep on smelling my hand. Oh my God, this smells so good. I prefer that they be matte. I don't want all that. Like a highlighter, if that has a little bit of shimmer in it, I don't mind. I love the Ofra highlighters, and they do have a tiny bit, and that does too. But I think these shades might be okay for me. I really have to check and see what I already own. I'm not all about keeping, you know, every single thing that I get. Obviously, you guys know that. I do share quite a bit. So that is worth $20. And then the last item, oh, let me put this protective shield back on there. I usually always keep them on there. I don't throw them away, even after I use them. Then the last item in the box, that box is going to go, is from Baybella Life in Pastels palette. Oh, loose hairs drive me nuts. Let's see. Can never get palettes out of the... Okay. So, beautiful palette. Raised lettering. Life in Pastel. I wonder if this is a pastel palette. Ooh, not really. Okie dokie, this is kind of bright. I doubt I will keep this one. And that's a little bright for me. I was expecting more pastel shades. It's great for the spring and the summer, though. Definitely. Greens, a couple blues, like light blues to teals, purples, pinks, glitter matte. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them are matte, and the rest are couple shimmers, two really of maybe a chunkier glitter, but very nice palette. I don't see, oh yes, there is a protective shield, so we'll put that back on top. I probably will share this in a giveaway. I just honestly do not, I have so many palettes. I honestly do. So that is my Eyescream Beauty Box for March. It says "You Are Gold" on it. I love this. Love this. For box number 2, I'm just as impressed as I was the first time. And for the price, $24, I really don't think you can beat that, honestly. If you get a palette in every box, it pays for the box. I mean, the palette itself, I mean, it's only a $12 palette, but we have a $20 contour palette. You get other items. I mean, this Pure Loose Perfecting Powder, the correcting powder, I know Pure is expensive. I've purchased from them. I love their mascara, and it's expensive, and I only get the little tubes. I don't get the full size because, like I said, I always waste mascara. So I know their products are expensive, Pure, but they're good. So I'm happy to have everything in this box. I can't wait to try this. I might put this on my face underneath my makeup just for that little bit. I mean, you can still see just a little bit of shimmer, but how about in the summertime when you don't really, I don't always wear makeup. I might put a little liner on or a lipstick. In the summertime, if I have a little bit of color, and to put that on your skin just to brighten you up, I think that's a great idea. Tell me down below what you think of this box. I'm excited to get this, excited to have this, but now I'm excited for the next one. And that, to me, signals a great box for me. If I'm even more excited for the next month, and the next month, and the next month, that's a bonus. Thumbs up. Double thumbs up. 1, because you're unique packaging. Can't wait to see what the next one has in it. Maybe because that'll be more Easter-ish or spring, we'll get either like a little flower or a bunny, or we'll have to wait and see what we get in that one. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for all your support, and welcome in to all the new subscribers. I appreciate every one of you, whether you're an OG, you've been here a month, or you've been here a day. I do have giveaways going on, so locate them, and everyone can enter, whether you are a new subscriber or not. I just ask that you try to be as active as you can for the month, just to help this channel grow, get recommended, all those good things. I'm still in the process of editing my second video for my Do You Want to Start a YouTube Channel series. The next one is going to be Ready, Set, Film. The very first one was the very beginning, like all the setup, all the stuff that you have to do one time, and then some other information. But now we're going to start to get into the nitty-gritty. The editing is killing me. I can only do it for so long, and then I have to stop and go do something else, because when I'm screenshotting everything so that you can physically see it, to understand and know where to find things, it's a little bit more time consuming on the edit end, and going to find all the screenshots. I'm listening and watching the video, and then going to on my tablet, and then going to my computer and finding the screenshot that matches. So it's a little bit more time consuming. That probably won't air until the first week in April, honestly. I have a boatload of boxes to still film for March, and some of them will be in the first week in April also, but I'm going to try to get that video, the second video of the video series, up in the first week in April, and that will be Ready, Set, Film. I'm excited for that series to continue. Stay well, everyone, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.